Hi, I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, and today we're going to show you how to add graphics and text to a photo. Here we go. I want to add some graphics to this image beginning with a white square. Simplest way to do that is to make sure the background layer is selected, and using my marquee tool, select the area around his head and the square, and around his ankles and the portion of the white square. And what I'm going to do is duplicate the area that I just selected. That's going to create a new layer called layer 1. Then I drag layer 1 above the white square layer, and now it looks like he's sitting in front of the white square, which is exactly what I was looking for. In and of itself, not bad, but I want to give it more of a custom look, so I'll make sure that layer 1 is selected, add a vector mask, get my brush tool, making sure the black is selected as a foreground color, and then I can actually paint away a portion of the layer that I just created. But I'll do it in such a way that the white square seems to be following the contours of his hair. A very custom look, and this is what separates the pros from the amateurs, by the way, taking time to do something like this. Using his jeans as a guide, I can come down here, same thing down here, the space between right here is shoes, and then I'll come right over here to the space on this side of his jeans, his ankle. So there you go. I have him sitting in front of the square. Now I just add a couple of other things, a logo, a name, and a position, and his jersey, and we're good to go. And that's a wrap, folks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you dig it, like it. If you want more, subscribe and hit that bell. I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, reminding you to shoot what you love.